Yes, I'm ready. Action. Oh my gosh, what's happening, y'all? Good to see y'all. Hope everyone is staying safe again during this pandemic situation. But other than that, y'all, we are doing great. We got a swing set built here, and look at this. You probably already seen it in the background, but we took away the old one. Here's the old one. Here's the new one. Look how much bigger this thing is. Shoo, amazing. It's gonna be, whoa. Stick talking over there. Look at this kid. So yes, yo, dude, you want to give a tour of the new place? Okay, give a tour. Okay, where's the door? This is the doorway.
Yeah. The door? And I know how to climb like this.
Okay, we're going in. Coming in.
So we have a metal roof, and down here is a trap door.
Yeah.
Where the cars go in. And then they trap into there and blink onto that.
Oh, nice.
And this way.
This is like the third, fourth day I'm working on it. So today I put the roof up, and then I put the beams up and all that other stuff, and so it's still got lots to do. Have to put up the walls still and cover this all up, and then I'm gonna this is gonna be screen here so that the kids can have screen all the way around, so this can be nice and cooling because it gets hot. You know what I'm saying? It gets hot. And the kids love the new swing set. Look how big it is. It's so big. I just got to get another one of those things over there. Woo! Yahoo! I see you, Audrina. It's amazing. And for those keeping track of the garden, here's our garden. We got the sweet potatoes here, potatoes there. We moved the potatoes to the buckets over here. The potatoes are still doing well. We got the peppers there. The cucumbers here. The cucumbers are doing amazing down there. We got more cucumbers over there. Like I said, these things are doing amazing. Yo, dude, you want to go up front and show them the sunflower seeds? Yeah. The sunflowers, how big they got? Look at these things. They're so tall now. As tall as Audrina. Don't cut it. Look at how many there is. There's just tons of. I gotta get on this side.
There's caterpillars eating them.
Where? Get the caterpillars off of them.
Where are they?
Caterpillars where?
Look, there's holes in these.
Oh, the bottom ones are okay because the bottoms will fall off because it's gonna keep going. Is there a caterpillar? No, yeah, the bottom ones fall off. That's fine. Because they're gonna keep going. No, just let them go. Amazing. All right, back inside. Back inside.
I'm gonna show you something.
No, don't show me nothing.
Guys, look, I found a love bug.
Ooh, love bug. Gross.
Crush it. You're rude.
You're rude. All right, what did you want to show me, dude?
I can show you. Come over here.
All right, I'm coming.
I made this fencing.
You made it? Oh.
Woo!
You just walk around to the backside? Oh, beep, boop, beep, boop, 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 beep, beep. They're locked. You shocking them? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, back inside. Sun's super bright. It's 5:30 in the evening. We're gonna go inside and cook some dinner. Mommy should cook some dinner. Mommy should. She better be cooking my dinner. It's almost Mother's Day. Oh, and I pickled some pickles today. Oh my gosh, well they're cucumbers. They will be pickles. Look at this. This is gonna be just some yummy stuff. So I'm gonna wait 24 hours for it to even happen, for it to be so yummy. Yo, what you got, Castle?
Come here.
Come here. No, you come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. No, you come here. I'm coming.
Put something in there. I need Sophia and Drake.
Okay, closet's closed. Where's Sophia and Audrina? Boop, 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 boop. Oh, that brings them back? There they are. What the heck?
Where's Sophia? I need to go back.
Oh, gotta get Sophia. You got Audrina. Beep, boop, beep, boop, boop, beep. Where's Sophia? Ready, and Sophia. Oh my goodness. Woo! I am so full. I just had like 6 tacos.
I had 3.
Oh, Sophia you had 3? 3. Oh, I thought you had 4. These corn tortillas, So good. You fry them up, man. Stuff them full of meat and cheese and rice. Oh, so delicious. And my tummy is so full right now.
What?
Woo! Okay, dinner is over. We're gonna come outside and swing for a little bit before we have to go inside and put these kids to bed. I gotta clean up this mess and get on there and swing, boy. Let me see you swing.
Okay, let's swing.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
Guys, spin me.
Spin you?
Oh.
Let me push you. Whew.
Push me. Push me.
Sophia, you're pushing her sideways. Yeah. Oh boy, they're going up high. Man, my belly is so full. Woo, I think I ate too much. Got a little headache. Whoa, man, got like a food overdose. But oh man, I think that's gonna be the vlog, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Come back and see us next week. We're gonna do it again, and maybe by next week this thing will be closer to being finished, and you'll see it. And thank you guys again for watching. Make sure you subscribe. See ya. Bye.
Bye.